7-106. The drought is on. Wow. No points since 6:43. And off Murray.
I'm going to tell you what, why isn't that a foul? They're going to tell the officials to look at it, and they will. But you can maybe do, I don't know if you can do it. That's off Murray. This is going to be Minnesota's ball.
Nuggets now need to play some defense. Barton's on Wiggins, Jokić on Towns. Wiggins got a step. In the corner, Towns to tie.
Watch it drive. She just knocked the arm off twice. We got an offensive foul a while ago on that. Paul just misses it. Wiggins. Well, sure like 5 seconds. Oh, they're not going to get a shot.
Murray falling back.
That is not a good shot. Difference.
All right, here we go. This one's so good, we got to play 5 more minutes. Now the Wolves will have it. Let's see if the Nuggets can start out with some stops.
You gotta get back in confidence. You got to start 0-0 and just now it's about getting your confidence back.
Inside and laying it in. 8.
See, everybody's in the way. Everybody's just kind of standing right now, and then they just throw it away again. This team has absolutely got into flat footing. I'm not sure if Jamal Murray, after the foot got hurt, it just, you know, he's your heart and soul maybe, and it just took a little energy out of him.
Wiggins for 3. And Barton collects the rebound. If the Nuggets could just get one basket, it might open the floodgates here.
I'd look at really big buckets right here.
Torrey Craig for 3. Ground and out, Jokić, yes, and a foul. Right?
That's long. Oh, he missed a free throw again.
92 all.
Denver now 11 of 17 free throws.
Both teams look a little weary. Covington. In and out. Nuggets have 5 on 4. Wide open is Barton. And Barton! Nuggets by 3. Wiggins. And he drops it home. Nuggets, I'd like to see him not have to switch that play, but Minnesota doing a good job. 1-point lead, 155. Long range, yes! Both teams huffing and puffing a little bit. Now Wiggins. Nuggets double. Towns picked up by Millsap. Dump it under, and the dunk is good. Okogie. Nuggets hanging on by 2. Trying to run something. Murray threw it away. Come on. Covington ties it up. Out chanting defense. The shot clock is going to be about 2 seconds ahead of the game clock. Nuggets have it. 20 seconds remaining. Barton yo-yoing outside. Malone's going to give him the go signal here.
Now
9 to shoot. Barton out to Jokić. Jokić falling away. Good! Jokić buries it.
he's telling the official he thought he got slapped on the arm again.
It's a 2-pointer. Rattling home.
So he can let you do a high five, they're saying, but not.
Layman will bring it in. Nuggets are tight. Tough shot. No good!
Wow.
And the Nuggets